Hi, my name is Julio Rivera. I'm an activist, journalist, adventurer, veteran, television presenter, and businessman. I've covered many of the major historical events going on around the world over the past several years, and after watching regime changes, conflict, and historic elections globally, I've come to the conclusion that the most underreported crisis in the world today can be defined in only one word: malware. That's why I've decided to dedicate my time to educating people everywhere and exposing the dangers that exist on the devices that we've become tethered to and depend on for so many reasons in our day-to-day life. Welcome to This Week in Malware. On This Week in Malware, we'll be covering: are hackers imitating the Microsoft Edge WebView2 app's name to trick users? Macube Cleaner spreads via questionable methods, and Zervu.net promises a $50 gift card, but instead delivers unwanted banners, pop-ups, and redirects. In many instances, creative hackers will disguise their presence by using file names and fake app names that mimic legitimate programs or computer utilities. This technique is particularly effective these days as computer users get savvier as they continue to learn more about their devices in this technological age. Unfortunately, potentially unwanted programs or PUPs and other potentially malicious apps still slip by even the more knowledgeable users. For example, Windows 11 users may have noticed an application called MS Edge WebView2 and perhaps stumbled upon its associated file, MS Edge WebView2.exe. This program seemingly pops up out of thin air and generally runs silently in your device's background. Some users have even reported going through the effort of removing the program only to see it reappear later. This has resulted in many users reporting MS Edge WebView2.exe as a threatening Trojan malware. Is MS Edge WebView2.exe safe? Generally speaking, MS Edge WebView2 is a safe Microsoft application that embeds web-based technologies into native apps. It was initially developed to give users access to multiple Office features that appear identical across multiple platforms. Examples of these features include the Outlook features, Room Finder, and Meeting Insights. That said, hackers have taken to trying to imitate the application and its files so that the malicious program could lie quietly in wait in an unsuspecting user's device, waiting to strike. If you think your computer may be housing an illegitimate version of MS Edge WebView2, you should check the program's digital signature to ensure the application has the appropriate digital certificate. How can I remove an illegitimate version of MS Edge WebView2 from my computer? You should scan for and remove any illegitimate versions of MS Edge WebView2 and its associated files from your computer using a reputable malware remediation tool. The internet is full of quick fix-it apps that claim to either clean up your computer or that you need to remove unwanted or corrupted files that drag down the system speed. They may also claim that they have the magical ability to optimize your PC or Mac. Macube Cleaner is one of the applications designed for Mac computers. The app advertises itself as a solution for freeing up disk space by removing old junk files, rarely used applications, and other features. Although this marketing may seem legitimate, users should note that Macube Cleaner is classified as a potentially unwanted program or PUP based on its questionable methods to gain access to user systems. Many users have reported the sudden emergence of Macube Cleaner despite not remembering installing it. This is a common trait among PUPs. Their presence goes unnoticed, bundled with third-party software updaters and installers. During the installation of a freeware program, it is especially common for PUPs to come up as an additional pre-selected app choice in the setup wizard steps. As a result, a PUP can come bundled with a freeware program. If, after a system scan, Macube Cleaner presents Mac users with items for removal or other optimization suggestions, they can only proceed with the removal of detected items and other suggested actions by purchasing the full version of Macube Cleaner. How do I remove Macube Cleaner from my Mac? Using a reputable malware remediation tool, you can scan for and remove Macube Cleaner and its associated files from your computer. And when installing freeware or other software from unknown sites, always select the advanced or custom installation option to ensure you only install the programs you need. The past few years have seen a rise in annoying adware that can potentially lead users to malicious websites loaded with malware, adult content, or deceptive advertisements from less than reliable online merchants. In most instances, users will have unwittingly installed a potentially unwanted program or PUP. When that happens, the affected computer behaves oddly whenever users attempt to open their browser and run a web search. Users who are redirected to a website called zervu.net are likely to experience that kind of behavior. Zervu.net is a website that is focused on distributing misleading or deceptive content. Visitors to zervu.net are presented with a series of manipulative and misleading messages. Generally at the outset, zervu.net attempts to create the impression that it is running a CAPTCHA check, a popular new tactic among internet profiteers used to gain permissions on a user's device. In this type of scheme, visitors to zervu.net are urged to click the Allow button, supposedly to prove that they are not robots. Zervu.net visitors may also be promised access to additional content, videos, or files ready to be downloaded. Additionally, Zervu.net may also promise users a $50 gift card to get them to subscribe to its push notifications. Once this is achieved, the website's operators can then deliver unwanted and annoying advertisements. These advertisements are considered less than reputable and therefore should not be trusted. The ads could be promoting shady phishing pages, fake giveaways, or adult-themed websites. Users may also land on sites that can lead to unintentional download of such threats as adware, browser hijackers, or other PUPs. What do I do to stop redirects to zervu.net? You should scan your computer for PUPs like the ones associated with zervu.net regularly with the help of a reputable malware remediation tool. And to avoid installing PUPs in the future, always select the advanced or custom installation option when seeking out new software to ensure that you only install the programs you need. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.